is Nixon Shigoli. I'm the MD of AAR Insurance. I think 2-3 years ago in an event in Mombasa, we decided that we have to digitize all the company processes. And it started with a single dream of serving our clients under 1 hour, from the point of initiation of interest to the point of accessing service, to be able to serve them in 1 hour. So then we looked at all the processes, all the systems we have, and decided for us to meet that dream, we must put our servers on the cloud. And that's why we went for Amazon, AWS, and in partnership with Safaricom, we decided to pursue this project and make sure that we put all our servers and we function from the cloud. Have received enormous support from Safaricom. Since the project began, I have not heard of adjustment of timelines. I haven't heard of a problem of finances or support or budget around the whole project, and we have kept on time. We had one system we thought would not go to the cloud because we felt it had some gaps, but still, all the systems that we have and we envisaged to put on the cloud were managed to be migrated to the cloud and within time. So I would thank the Safaricom team for keeping to the promise. The money, the cash you've spent on a project is not easy to quantify, because I can't quantify my time. I cannot put a shilling to my time. I cannot put a shilling to the benefits we are going to get from the whole project. But so far, yes, we've spent just around 200,000 USD. Vision is to serve our clients under 1 hour as a digital insurer. We want to be the first one, because insurance is traditional. We must fill application forms, submit policy documents, which are big policy documents. And as AAR, we want to be able to do all that activity digitally, so that you can apply for cover, you can get your policy documentation online without having to come and fill several documents, sign a lot of documents. Of course, being on the cloud is going to support us in this aspect, because also there is the legal aspect of it, some documents required to be in the system. So far, we've already migrated a lot of the physical documents, especially the old documents that we are required to have for a period of, say, 7 years, as per law. And we feel this process of being on the cloud allows us a lot of agility to do so many things, come up with applications, client apps, and be able to bring them on board without having problems, as opposed to being on the premise. The clients should expect improved service. Number one, at the point of service, when you go to hospital after you have purchased cover from AAR Insurance, expect a greatly improved service at the point of service. Plus the provider themselves. Once you access the service, the provider will have the opportunity to get their cash within 48 hours from the time you accessed service. And this will be the first in the country, whereby you leave the hospital and the provider can get the money immediately. So we create a feel-good around all the partners, the client, the provider, and AAR, because we will get the claims on time, and therefore eliminating the issues of reconciliation, the issues of vetting and looking for fraudulent claims, because the timing has been shortened and we are getting the information real time. And with our ability to be on the cloud, we have enough space to be able to accommodate all this information online.